If you're looking for a base close to Taunton, the town centre, the studio flat that we have available on Compass Hill in the block behind me might be absolutely perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. This property would be a fantastic option for someone looking for a base in Taunton's town centre. Close to Musgrove Park Hospital and close to the rest of the town centre, it'd be great for someone looking to be on foot to the local amenities. If you'd like to arrange a viewing of this property, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.